Hey, hello, and what's up, everybody? So, the Flipkart has announced about the Big Billion Day sale that will be coming soon. So, we can check it out that what they have given in the sneak peek of this Big Billion Day sale. So, as we can scroll down, they are saying that the Big Billion Day sale will be coming soon, and this time the offer is on the SBI debit card and credit card. So, don't forget to have one or arrange it from your friends, because if you want to save some money, then it will be your friend, of course. And as usual, the Flipkart Plus members are going to have the early pass, and these are some of their money saving tips. And with that, they are also providing with the no cost EMI options on some of the leading banks that they are providing information about them over here. And these are some of the offers on the smartphones. So they are saying that on the appliances they are going to provide up to the 80% off. So yeah, just uh, put your items in your ad list and don't forget to purchase them during the Big Billion Day sale. And they are also giving us a sneak peek that about 60 to 80% off on the fashions and accessories. So yeah, great to go. Beside that, furnitures, work from home, super coin. So yeah, everything that you can imagine they are providing in this Big Billion Day sale discount. So this is currently the news in transition. If they provide us with the date, then of course I will going to make another video for you and update you all about the information, because you can buy a decent amount of goods during these sales and save a lot of money. So with that said, stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And yeah, keep waiting for the Big Billion Day sale. And a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Of course, the video will not be sponsored by the Flipkart at all. So yeah, but sponsored by Amazon. No, that was fun.